In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is launch the Slack application. You can open it on your device, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. If you prefer using a browser, you can easily access Slack that way as well. Just navigate to the Slack website and log in. Once you have Slack up and running, you'll need to access your profile menu. So, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu that shows a few different options. Now, from that menu, you want to select Preferences. This is going to take you to a new window where you can customize your Slack experience in various ways, including changing the language settings. Next, let's navigate to the language settings. In the Preferences window, you'll see a left-hand sidebar menu. Here, scroll down and look for the option that says Language and Region. Click on that, and this section will open up where you can adjust your language preferences. Now, here's where the magic happens. At the top of the Language and Region section, you'll see a language drop-down menu. Click on that, and a list of languages will appear. Just scroll through and find your preferred language. For example, if you want to switch to Spanish, you'd select Español from that list. Once you've made your selection, the changes will automatically apply, and your Slack interface will update to reflect the new language. This way, you can enjoy Slack in a language that feels more comfortable for you. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language in Slack. It's a simple process, but it can really enhance your user experience, especially if you're more fluent in a different language. Always remember that if you ever want to change your language back or switch to a different one, you can follow these steps again just as easily. If you find that you have any difficulties, or if your settings don't seem to be saving, make sure you check if you're using the latest version of Slack. Sometimes a quick update can solve unexpected issues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Your support really helps us create more useful content. And if you have any other questions about using Slack or any other tools, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Slacking, and I hope you enjoy the flexibility of using your preferred language.